Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is chicken dry fry. Let's get started. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, take 400 grams of chicken, add turmeric powder 1/4 spoon, chilli powder 2 spoon, salt to taste, and add a half lime. Mix it like this. Mix it properly and keep for marinate for half an hour. Now take a pan and add some oil. Now add 2 spoons of coriander powder and mix it. Mix it like this. It should become like this. It should come black color until you have mixed. Now add the chicken to this. And mix it. Mix it like this. Now add a half cup of hot water. Now close the lid and cook it for 20 minutes in a medium flame. Take a pan and add some oil. Add a half capsicum. Add 1 onion. Now fry it until golden brown. Now you have to add some curry leaves for the chicken. Onion and capsicum must fry like this. Now you have to add this to the chicken. Chicken must fry like this. Now you have to add the onions and capsicum. Now mix it well. Mix it like this. Now cook for 5 minutes like this only. It have to become dry. It should become dry like this. Now it's ready to serve. It's really looking yummy guys. It's very nice. It smells good. Here it goes. For more recipes, like, share, comment and subscribe. You can enjoy this recipe with your family and friends. It's really nice and easy. It's simple and spicy.